Thank you, Jesus. It genuinely feels very nice to get so much of love, especially when I released my first vlogging video yesterday. Sometimes people just don't do it for views or for likes or subscriptions. Definitely, we want a lot of support, but at the same time, we want some genuine people who will be following our videos. And thank you so much. मैंने सच में कल अपनी दाढ़ी भी बनाई है सेकेंड व्लॉग के लिए. एक स्पेशल अच्छा कैप लिया है, अम्ब्रेला लिया है. सो टुडे आई एम ऑल सेट. आई होप यू आर ऑल रेडी टू वॉच द सेकेंड व्लॉग वीडियो. सो टुडे वी विल बी मेकिंग सोयाबीन फॉर लंच एंड डिनर. I just was told that there are two types of soybean. One is the big one and one is the thin one. So I prefer eating the big one, but I think today we will be taking the thin one. So we'll go with this for lunch and dinner today. मेरे को कॉलीफ्लावर दे दो एक. तो आज कॉलीफ्लावर बनेगा फिर डिनर में. अभी मैं बैग्स पकड़ूं कि छाता खोलूं. अरे यार, चलो आज के दिन में देखते क्या और होता है. So we are back in the rig once again, and right now we are moving for some official work, change of clothes as well. Since I'm into real estate, I am moving on to do a registration work. We are just given a flat on rent and I'm going for that work. So once we get off on the rickshaw, I'll speak to you once again. So we have reached here. It's a beautiful location in Kalina. Nice greenery all around. So hope you are enjoying the vlogs. I'll try my best to show you my daily routine. We will try to upload daily new vlogs, and when someone comes from behind, you're actually wondering whether they're going to spy on you, thinking what they're going to do. So sometimes I have to cut it and restart it. But yes, I have reached the destination where we are going to do a registration. I won't be filming that, obviously, because it's on official purpose. But let's see what more happens during the entire day. This is just the second vlog and there is lots more fun and excitement to come. So I still have some more time. The client and the registration person are taking some time to come. So I thought I'll just share something that happened yesterday. Well, yesterday as I was standing outside the salon, I seen a friend passing by in the traffic in the rickshaw, and I was very happy to actually see him. Because of the traffic, the rickshaw had halted. So I was actually just looking at his face and just staring at him, and there was a slight smile in my mind. All of a sudden, when I actually seen that he had removed a cigarette from his hand and put it to his mouth, and then I was actually shocked to see. I really didn't know he was smoking. I was actually shocked to see that a person like this, how can he start smoking? I mean, I'm not saying anything for or against smoking or something, but I mean, sometimes I just wonder, because he was a boy who was always so quiet, always so reserved, just had his life straight. I think today smoking is used by many people around the world, first to relieve their stress. So I really don't know if he was smoking because of his stress or just to take a break, but again, smoking is definitely injurious to health and I do not support it. So if you have certain beautiful tasks to do in life, if you can focus your good positive energy on something else like sports or even different cultural activities, I would definitely motivate you to do so. But please do not drink and smoke. Just avoid doing that. So you will see locations changing. Many people say that I like to do a lot of badbad. Yes, that is there. But I think if the badbad makes sense, or if someone is there to listen, especially on your vlogs, I think that badbad is definitely fruitful. So I'm still waiting for the client, and I think this was a very good opportunity to talk to people hearing the vlogs. Today you must have seen that we are going to have soya bean and cauliflower and potato bhaji. If you are watching this vlog, I would be very much interested to see what you are going to have today for either your lunch or dinner. So please pause this video right now and go in the comment section and write what you are going to have. Now since I'm waiting over here, I thought there was a fruit seller nearby. So I was actually thinking how many types of mangoes actually come. I was actually really surprised. And soon mango season will be over. This mango season was really special. The more mangoes you eat are really less. I just pray for those less fortunate children, people or families who could not afford to eat mangoes this time. Let's see if we can do something for them the next time. Yes, come here. Registration is done, inspection is done, and now finally I'm playing with the remote control car with my son. You can hear his voice. So this is all for vlog number 2. I'll meet you tomorrow in vlog number 3. Till then, please don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.